Ever feel like you're juggling a million things? Trying to keep track of appointments scribbled on sticky notes, back and forth emails confirming times, and the constant fear of double booking? If that sounds familiar, you're definitely not alone. In today's fast-paced world, staying organized and efficient is crucial, especially when your time is your most valuable asset. Whether you're a budding entrepreneur, a seasoned freelancer, or running a small business, managing your schedule effectively can be the difference between thriving and just surviving. Think about it. How much time do you spend each week just coordinating appointments? All those phone calls, emails, and manual entries add up. What if you could reclaim that time, focus on what you do best, and let technology handle the scheduling headaches? That's where Setmore comes in. It's more than just a calendar. It's a comprehensive scheduling platform designed to streamline your booking process, automate reminders, and ultimately give you back control of your time. Imagine a world where your clients can book appointments with you online, 24/7, without you lifting a finger. Picture automated email and SMS reminders that drastically reduce no-shows. Envision having all your appointments, customer information, and even payment details in one easily accessible place. Sounds good, right? Well, today we're going to dive into exactly how you can make this a reality. This isn't going to be a dry, technical walkthrough. Instead, we'll explore the essential steps to get started with Setmore, showing you just how intuitive and powerful this tool can be. We'll cover everything from setting up your account to customizing your booking page and managing your appointments like a pro. So, if you're ready to ditch the scheduling chaos and embrace a more organized and efficient way of working, then stick around. Let's get started with Setmore. First things first, you'll need to create your Setmore account. Head over to the Setmore website. A quick Google search will get you there. You'll see options for signing up, usually with a free plan to get you started. Don't worry about committing to anything right away. The free plan is a fantastic way to explore the core features and see if Setmore is the right fit for your needs. The sign-up process is straightforward. You'll typically need to provide your name, email address, and create a password. Once you've verified your email, you'll be guided through a brief initial setup. During this initial setup, you'll likely be asked for some basic information about your business or services. This might include your business name, the type of services you offer, and your time zone. Accurate time zone selection is crucial to avoid any scheduling mishaps. Take a few moments to fill this out carefully. Once your basic account is set up, the next key step is to define your services. This is where you tell Setmore what you actually do. Think about all the different services or appointments you offer. For each service, you'll want to provide a clear name, a brief description, the duration of the service, and the price if applicable. Be as specific as possible here. For example, instead of just consultation, you might have initial business consultation, 60 minutes, or follow-up coaching session, 30 minutes. Setmore allows for a lot of customization here. You can categorize your services to make them easier for your clients to navigate on your booking page. You can also assign different staff members to specific services if you have a team. Don't forget to set your pricing accurately if you want to take bookings with payments directly through Setmore. Now that your services are defined, let's talk about your availability. This is where you tell Setmore when you're available to take bookings. You can set your regular business hours, specifying the days of the week and the times you're typically available. The beauty of Setmore is its flexibility. You can create recurring weekly schedules and also set specific exceptions for holidays or personal time off. Take some time to really think about your ideal schedule. Do you have certain days or times you prefer to work? Do you need buffer time between appointments to prepare or travel? Setmore allows you to add buffer times before and after appointments, ensuring you're not feeling rushed. You can also sync your Setmore calendar with other calendars you use, like Google Calendar or Outlook Calendar, to avoid double bookings across different platforms. This integration is a game changer for staying truly organized. With your services and availability set, it's time to customize your booking page. This is the online portal where your clients will be able to see your services and book appointments with you directly. Setmore gives you a unique booking page URL that you can share with your clients. You can customize the look and feel of your booking page to match your brand. This might include adding your logo, choosing your brand colors, and writing a welcoming message for your clients. You can also decide what information you want to collect from your clients when they book an appointment. Keep it relevant but not overly intrusive. Explore the different layout options for your booking page. You can choose how your services are displayed and how your availability is presented. Make it as easy and intuitive as possible for your clients to find what they need and book an appointment. You can even embed your Setmore booking widget directly onto your website or share it via social media, making it incredibly convenient for your audience to book your services. Once your booking page is live, you need to let your clients know about it. Share your unique Setmore booking page link wherever your clients are most likely to find you. This could be on your website, social media profiles, email signature, or even on printed materials like business cards. Make it clear and easy for people to book with you. Instead of saying, "Contact me to book an appointment," you can say, "Book your appointment online here," your Setmore booking page link. The more visible and accessible your booking page is, the more likely you are to receive online bookings. Now that you're all set up to receive bookings, let's talk about managing those appointments. Setmore provides a clear and intuitive calendar view where you can see all your upcoming appointments. You can easily view appointment details, reschedule appointments with a simple drag and drop, and even manually add appointments if needed. One of the most powerful features of Setmore is its automated reminders. You can set up email and SMS reminders to be sent to your clients before their appointments. This significantly reduces no-shows and ensures your clients remember their scheduled time. You can customize the content and timing of these reminders to best suit your needs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.